Say hello, Natalie.
Hi, Natalie.
Yeah, we are cleaning the piler today. Say hello, Jesse. That's Jesse, pile operator. And we have finished piling, and now it's cleaning.
Yes, the last truck pulled in at 11 o'clock last night. Well, we finished the sugar beet harvest. We're on our way home. Yahoo! So it was an 18-day harvest, and this last day we did cleanup. So we scraped and polished up both of the pilers, got the approval of the agriculturalist, and then put the cords away and clocked out. We are very, very happy, and now it's time to rest. So in this harvest, with the 18 days, we made over $7,000 between us, and we'll be awaiting our 10% bonus in December. Since we are rehires, it's 10%. For first-timers, it's 5%, just to let you know. And if this is a work camping gig that you are interested in, simply go to sugarbeetharvest.com for more information. They are accepting applications beginning in January. And we did write a little bit on our experience the first year, last year, with the sugar beet harvest. So go ahead and check that out. It's on our website, henleyshappytrails.com. Is there anything else I need to mention?
If you are going to sign up for the beet harvest and they ask if anybody referred you, don't forget to put down either Levi or Natalie.
And I think that's pretty much it. We're probably gonna go and get something to eat and rest, and then do our fun little chores before getting the RV ready and taking off for our next work camping adventure.
And we're gonna rest again.
Yes, we're gonna rest some more. And that's pretty much it. We'll probably send off one more little video tomorrow or the next day, just as a send-off to say goodbye to Minnesota and to our awesome experience again with the unbeatable experience of the sugar beet harvest through Express Employment. And was that a little bit too much?
Maybe.
Okay, bye!
Bye-bye.